Your first step is just for you to feel the music. You can do anything you want with your hands. As soon as the song starts, I want you to start moving your hips. So we're gonna go ti ta 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 ta. Just swinging your hips. Your hands can be whatever you want. You can hold it like you are holding a shopping bag, or you can put your hands up like you are just energized and you are motivated to dance. Whatever you want to do, we're going to do 2 8 counts, okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can smile. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever you want. After that, we're going to go step touch. Simple, easy, repetitive. Step, tap, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. For the first 4, 8 count, you can do whatever you want, just kind of like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as an option. I'll give you hands. You're gonna do, I like to kind of do roly ha, roly ha, roly ha. I'm kind of rolling in towards me, but if you feel comfortable rolling out, go for it, okay? It looks just like this. We're gonna go 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go roll. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want, you can sort of like pop your chest right here and bend your knees. So just to give it a little bit more dynamic for every repetitive step, okay? As far as the hands, again, add your own flavor. Pretty self-explanatory for that little intro. Now we actually learn the section 1, okay?
DJ done set, we dey alright. Body done form, not to play all night and that. Baba, we dey alright. Loud that tune and I see my fresh white. My pockets on large. Every man post for the corner all light. One man thing, now somebody fight. Real man thing, bandit.
Your feet goes step in, step together. Step in, step together. Let me do it to the mirror. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, in, 1, together. Left, in, left, together. Right, in, right, together. Left, in, left, together. Cool. Now with the hands. Cool. I say that a lot. Okay. With the hands, I'm gonna go open, close, open, in, open, close, open, in. Just like that. Here we go. Open, close, open. Pop the chest. Open, close, open, in. Now let's put hands and feet together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Open, close, open, in, open, close, open, in. 2, 2, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Now from there, sort of kind of similar, but you're going to take your right foot out just like that, and you're going to do a little bit of undulation. So what it is like a little rainbow from your hips. You're going to draw a rainbow. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha. Like, see, I'm going over, right? You want to bend your knees. You always want to bend your knees, and to keep it a little bit of, to lift it up a little bit, you want to take your heel off of the ground, okay? Go on your toes, bending your knees, and it will help you to undulate your hips. So you want to go rainbow, rainbow. Good. As I do that, my hands are just going like this, or I'm saying come, whatever you want. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2. I'm also putting my foot in together each time in the middle, okay? So we go. Let's go ahead and go from open, close, open, in, so that way we can put those two together. It's both of them are 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. One more step for section 1, okay? All we're doing is making, your feet are going tap, 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 bending your knees. That's easy, okay? And you're gonna draw clouds with your hands. You can do 2 hands, or you can do 1 hand, whatever you want, okay? The way I like to do it is whichever leg that I'm using, that's the direction that I'm drawing my clouds, okay? So now to make it look all together, here, let's give it a try. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Double hand, 2, 3, 4, tap, up, draw the clouds up, up. We go down, 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 up, 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 up. That's 2 hands options, okay? 1 hand option you can do down, 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 and up, 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 up. Your choice, whatever you want to do. And after that, we're gonna do the same step, but we're gonna bend our knees a little bit more and we're gonna kind of give it a little bit more dynamic. It's just so easy. The reason why I'm putting these steps together is you can see with 1 step, or 1 move, you can make it so many variations of it and you can make it your own. So for that, we're gonna go E, ha. I'm adding a little hop and crunching my belly and bringing my chest down to my knee, yes? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The base of the move is the same. It's just tap, 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 right? But I'm doing tap, 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 tap. Same thing with the hands, free hands. You can go draw the clouds, single clouds, double clouds, whatever you want. I'm gonna call it clouds, okay? Okay, that's it for section 1. Let's do everything from the top, from the intro to section 1 to put it together, okay? Put it together like a puzzle or a Lego. I've been wanting to do a puzzle. I'm gonna go get a puzzle soon. Okay, ready? Let's go from the intro. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hips, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 6, 7, 8, go. Whatever with your hands. 2 and a 5. 6, step touch. Here we go. 1, 2, and a 3. Just rock and a 5. 6, 7, 8. If you want, you can roll. Hands, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Together, 5, 6, 7. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6. Undulation. Let's go. Rainbow. 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the clouds. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Little more. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and a 3. Hands go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Nice. We're done with section 1.
Dance, make me dance, oh. I'ma get make me dance. All of them moms no get chance, oh. Baby, them no get chance. I know they like you. Ain't no other shawty like you. So make we dance, no romance, oh. I'ma get make me dance, make we dance.
Section 2 is where your chorus comes in, okay? The song is called Dance. So, of course, we're going to dance. And every time I think about dance, I don't know, I feel like I want to kind of move my body, shake, you know what I mean, a little bit shaky, shaky. So, we're going to put that step in here. So, all you're doing is making a V, okay? A V. What does V need? It needs 2 and 1 point, yes? So, we're going to go out V, that's your drawing point. Bring it in and bring it in. That's it for the feet. 5, 6, let's try it. Go. 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Now, as far as the hands, I'm just going my hands very loose like this, and I'm shimmying my shoulders. Let's put that together with the feet, and we're gonna bend our knees. And to make it a little bit more dynamic, first 8 count, we're just chilling and shaking. Cool. And the second 8 count, we're going down, down and up. Yes? Let's try it. I'm going to face this way so you can put it together with your feet. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and 7, 8. Go down and a 3. Take a tap. All I'm doing is taking my steps. Ta, 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 ta. That's all I'm doing with steps. My feet. The whole time. My hands and body are kind of going down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Again, you can make it your own too. So if you feel like you want to go up, up, up the whole time, go for it. If you don't want to shake it and if you just want to do the feet, go for it. Yes, do whatever you feel like. Cool. Now, next step, we're pointing right, right. We're pumping the hands in. Go left, left, in. Again, right, right, in, left, left, in. So if you want, you can stay here and do it on your spot if you don't want to travel. As an option, I'm going to give you to travel, okay? As you point, you're going to travel 2 steps. We're going 1, 2. We're pumping 3, 4. We're going 1, 2, and a 3, 4. Does that make sense? Let's go ahead and do it all together. So we're going to put the 2 steps together from dance with me and then this together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6 and 7. Go do down. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6. Let's travel. Here we go. 1, 2 and a pump, pump and a 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it for section 2. That's pretty much kind of it for the whole tutorial actually. And for the last part, and the end of the song, let's go ahead and freestyle. Do whatever you want to do. Like I said before, you can use the steps that we just did. I'll give you that as an option, or you can just do freestyle, whatever you want to do. All right, time to do it. We only had 2 sections on this song, so let's go ahead and do it with music. Ready? I'm going to face the mirror for you so it's easy for you to follow along, okay?
Yeah. Done set, we day alright. Body done form not to play all night and dance. Baba, we day alright. Loud that tune and I see my fresh white. My pockets on large. Every man post for the corner all light. One man thing, now somebody fight. Real man thing, pande. Should I me they find you? Why I gotta try when you know give body? Say make I mind you. Girl, I don't try, but you know send nobody. Why I they find you? Why I gotta try find you? Now here I dey. Oh baby, now for yeah I dey. So make we dance, make we dance. I'ma get make me dance. All of them moms no get chance. So baby, them no get chance. I know they like you. Ain't no other shawty like you. So make we dance, no romance. So I'ma get make me dance, make we dance. Baby girl, make we dance. I'ma this in life no balance. All of them man no balance. I'ma get make we dance. Baby girl, make we dance. Oh, I'ma this life no balance. All of them man no gallant. Oh, shana me they find you. Why I gotta try when you know give body? Say make I mind you. Girl, I don't try, but you know send nobody. Why I they find you? Why I gotta try find you? Now here I dey. Oh baby, now for yeah I dey. So make we dance, make we dance. Oh, I'ma get make me dance. All of them moms no get chance. Oh, baby, them no get chance. I know they like you. Ain't no other shawty like you. So make we dance, your romance. I'ma get make me dance. All of them mans no get chance, so baby them no get chance. I know they like you, ain't no other shawty like you. So make we dance, pure romance, so I'ma get make me dance.